Have you noticed that people are saving with anger? That's not just economy is revenge saving. But at the same time, many are falling into the trap of apps buy now, pay later, and it can be very expensive. If you want to figure out how to never fall for this and protect your financial future, stay with me. I will show you 2 strategies that turn this moment of fear into freedom and how to avoid traps that can ruin your plan. In the US, the saving level rose from 4.1% to 4.9%. In April, people are saving out of fear, something called revenge saving, while more are saving. Many are getting into debt with BNPL 1 in every 5 consumers have used, and the risk of delays is real. 77% changed habits for fear of recession. Buy now, pay later is used by almost half of adults in the US. This shows people want security, they want freedom, but they are also attracted by facilities that seem innocent. Automate your savings. Set an automatic transfer of 5% of your monthly earnings to an emergency account. This avoids excitement and speeds up results. Set specific goals. 10% for emergencies, 5% for smaller goals. That gives a sense of real progress, and the brain loves it. Use high-performance apps. The difference between 0.02% and 4% can yield very long-term quick exposure to facilities. Parceled without interest. Great ... until you delay a installment. Actual consequences. Increasing indebtedness with arrears and fees. Example. Emily bought 3 streaming passes with BNPL. Delayed a payment. Never use BNPL for digital consumption. Only for real emergencies. If you are going to use, set a clear limit on your budget before. Save first, spend then before looking at any offer. Protect your base with cash in reserve. Adopt the long-term mindset. Be part of a team that values security, not momentum. Suggested apps for high automatic saving. Simple spreadsheet to control BNPL expenses. And you are already practicing revenge saving. Have you fallen into Count here in the comments. Your experience can save someone. Liked. Sign up. Activate the bell. And share this video with someone who needs to protect themselves from financial traps. And look, in the description, the materials I use are tools that break my mentality and can do the same for you. Check out there.